How to write a poem in iambic pentameter. The most common meter in poetry, iambic pentameter is famously associated with William Shakespeare. Here's how you can rhyme like a modern-day bard. You will need an understanding of poetic feet, an understanding of poetic meter, a rhyme scheme, a pen and paper, and the works of renowned poets. Optional, a thesaurus. Step 1. Know that an iamb is a rhythmic unit called a foot and is a combination of unstressed and stressed syllables. One word with 2 syllables, like instead, could be an iamb, or 2 monosyllabic words could be an iamb, like she wants. Step 2. Understand that pentameter is a meter that means the iamb is repeated 5 times. So iambic pentameter is a line of poetry with 5 iambs. Use this famous line from Shakespeare's Twelfth Night as a guide. If music be the food of love, play on. Step 3. Choose a rhyme scheme like ABAB. Each letter represents the ending sound of the line, so ABAB means the first line rhymes with the third and the second line rhymes with the fourth. Step 4. Draw a row of 5 short lines on your paper. Write 1 iamb, 1 unstressed syllable, and 1 stressed on each line until you have 10 syllables in iambic pentameter. Step 5. Repeat for the next 3 lines, making sure the last syllable of line 1 rhymes with the end of line 3 and the end of line 2 rhymes with the end of line 4. Step 6. Expand the 4 lines to create a sonnet, which comprises 14 lines of iambic pentameter. The Shakespearean sonnet typically has a rhyme scheme of ABAB, CD, EF, GG. The 4 lines together in a sonnet are called a quatrain, while the ending 2 lines are called a rhyming couplet. Step 7. Study the works of great poets who used the form, including Shakespeare, William Wordsworth, Percy Shelley, Edna St. Vincent Millay, and Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Did you know? Shakespeare wrote 37 plays and 154 sonnets.